Demonstration of a bend in 10 millimeter tubing. So what I'm going to do is start. I put a cork in one end and I've got my blow tube in the other end with a spindle on it so that I can rotate it while blowing into it. But initially I'm not going to blow. Initially I am just going to heat a length of it, and it helps to have a somewhat beefier flame. You want to heat about 3 to 5 times the diameter. And heat it till it just starts to glow and get soft. Up, and then you have to work your way along because you don't want to get it to bent in one spot. So, unless you have a bigger flame, you can't usually bend thicker tubing all at once. Notice it's getting a little harder as I get closer to 9 degrees. You've got to be careful not to burn your hand when you go up. Oops, a little thick there. So to the next spot over before we do any more bending. So I'm losing my cork in the end here. About 90 degrees. So now we start working on it. And to work on it, we're going to want our flame a little bit smaller. So work on just one part. So what I'm going to work on first is the divot right there at the top there. So we heat that until it's glowing. Take it out and blow it back out. Side of it as well. Looks like there's a little bit right on this side. As well. Too much, so we might need that to go in a little bit. The idea is to get the inner diameter pretty constant. So you can work on it a little bit more, but that's pretty good. At this point, I'd make a bigger flame and just make sure to anneal it, because I was pushing pretty hard on it. And the other thing you can do is if it's not quite the right angle, you can adjust it just a little bit more. So I'm going to bring it a little bit closed. Open it up just a little bit. There we go.